G'day people, I've discovered a problem. I've had a number of comments recently from people who have resurrected their overlockers and Sergers that they've had for 2, 5, 10, 20 years, haven't looked at because they couldn't thread them or they didn't know how to make it work properly. They found me and now they're able to get their machine threaded and operational. But there is a problem. And the problem is that in that 2, 5, 10 or 20 years that your overlocker or serger has been sitting, hiding away in a box or a cupboard somewhere, all of the oil in it has succumbed to gravity. And that's a problem. I recently did some videos on somebody's machine that hadn't been used for a very long time, and when I turned the flywheel, it was stiff. I know it was stiff because I know what it feels like and what it should feel like. Unfortunately, most of you won't. Let me assure you, 2 years without being used, it needs oiling. Find your book and give your machine some oil. Make sure it's not yellow, the oil I mean. Use clear oil. It basically looks like water. I use a pharmaceutical grade white oil and it works beautifully. That's also what my tech uses. Any machine that you haven't used for a long time really needs oiling before you go and run it, because otherwise the motor has to do an enormous amount of work to try and turn that dry machine. So get out your oil, get out your instruction book, and give your machine some love. And I'll see you next time.